Good afternoon, students. Join quickly. Good afternoon. Join quickly. Okay, today we will revise the chapter Simple Equations exercise 4.4 page 91. Please everybody mute your microphone. Everybody mute your microphone, please. Okay. Question 1G. Anwar thinks of a number. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, the result is 23. Let the number P L 5 by 2 of the number is 5m by 2. Since he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number and the result is 23, therefore the required equation is 5n by 2 minus 7 is equal to 23, or 5n by 2 is equal to 23 plus 7 is equal to 30. We solve this equation. To solve this equation, we first transpose 7 to the right hand side and we get 5n by 2 is equal to 30. Now we multiply both sides by 2 by 5 and we get n is equal to 30 into 2 by 5. Therefore, the required number is 12, isn't it? Page 91. Page 91. Tirthankar, page 91. Everybody mute your microphone, please. Next, question is 1E. Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8. Let Munna has y number of notebooks. Let Munna has y number of notebooks. Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. Thrice of y is equal to 3y. isn't it? Therefore, the required equation is 50 minus 3y is equal to 8. Since Munna subtracts the thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50, therefore the required equation is 50 minus 3y is equal to 8. Now we solve this equation. To solve this equation, we first transpose 3y to the right hand side and we get 3y is equal to 50 minus 8, that is equal to 42, or we divide both sides by 3 and we get y is equal to 42 by 3, that is equal to 14. Therefore, Munna has y number of notebooks. Exercise 4.4, page 91. Akash. Yes, the answer is 14. Okay, next. Next, question number 2a. The question is, the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? First, we suppose the lowest score is x. Let the lowest score is x. Twice the lowest scores is equal to 2x. Therefore, by given condition, the highest score is x plus 7. Also, it is given that the highest score is 87. Therefore, 2x plus 7 is equal to 87. Now we solve this equation. To solve this equation, we first transpose 7 to the right hand side and we get 2x is equal to 87 minus 7, that is equal to 80. Or now we divide both sides by 2 and we get x equal to 40. Therefore, the lowest score is 40. Yes, Sanchari. Yes, good afternoon, Sobhik. Lowest score is 40. Yes. Okay, next. Next question 2b. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal and the vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? For this, we first suppose the base angles. Let the base angles, first we draw the picture of an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to x degree. Let also it is given that angle BAC is equal to 40 degree. Since the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, the required equation is x plus 40, that is angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 or 2x plus 40 is equal to 180. Now we solve this equation. Is there any problem, student? Okay. To solve this equation, we first transpose 40 to the right hand side and we get 2x is equal to 180 minus 40. That is equal to 140 degree. Because it is an isosceles triangle, and we all know that in an isosceles triangle, angle AB is equal to side AB is equal to side AC. That is angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Or x is equal to 70. Therefore, the base angles are 70 degree each. Therefore, the base angles are 70 degree each. Next. Next, question 3.1. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Parmit have? First, let Parmit has y number of marbles. Here it is given that Irfan has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. 5 times of y is equal to 5y. Now 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. Therefore Irfan has 5y plus 7 marbles. Also it is given that Irfan has 37 marbles. Therefore the required equation is 5y plus 7 is equal to 37, isn't it? Now we solve this equation. To solve this equation, we first transpose 7 to the right hand side and we get 5y is equal to 30 or y is equal to 6. Therefore, Irfan has Parmit has 6 number of marbles. Therefore, Parmit has 6 number of marbles. Since we let Parmit has y number of marbles and the answer is y equal to 6. Next. Next question 3.2. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? Let Lakshmi's age is y years. Three times of y is equal to 3y. Therefore, Lakshmi's father's age is 3y plus 4. Do you see the board properly? Also it is given that Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. Therefore the required equation is 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. Now we solve this equation. To solve this equation we first transpose 4 to the right hand side and we get 3y is equal to 49 minus 4, that is equal to 45, or y is equal to 15. Therefore, Lakshmi's age is 15 years, isn't it? Yes, right answer. Okay, I think your class is over. 4 minutes left. Okay, is there any problem? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone or in problem? Okay. Thank you student. Bye. Next day we will discuss another chapter. Okay. थैंक यू।